Since we received a lot of positive feedback for our last couple of recipes that we put up, showing plant-based recipes from Blue Tribe, I thought we'll come up and extend this experiment and do some more recipes using plant-based meat from Blue Tribe. Today's recipe is a party recipe, and you know what? Plant-based and planet-friendly. The recipe that I'm going to show you today is baked sausage pasta using, of course, Blue Tribe. Let's begin. Today's recipe is baked sausage pasta, for which I'm going to use plant-based chicken sausage. Yes, you heard that right. Plant-based chicken sausage. If this is not guilt-free, then what is? Before we begin the recipe, it's important to remove this packet from the deep freezer and keep it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 45 minutes to an hour. I've done that already. Now, let's begin straight with the recipe. The first step for the baked sausage pasta is, of course, getting the pasta in action, for which I have some water which is on roll boil here. To this, I'm going to add in salt. The thumb rule here is for every liter of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Once this starts roll boiling, I'm going to plunge in the penne pasta. The whole idea here is to cook this pasta till it's almost 3/4 done, which is time-wise 5 to 6 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to transfer this directly into the sauce and cook this till it's completely well done. If you're the ones who prefer al dente, boil it completely for 7 to 8 minutes. That's about it. While the pasta is getting cooked, on the next burner, let's quickly start making the sauce. For this, I'm going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, we'll begin with garlic paste. If you have some extra time at hand, you could also end up chopping this nice and fine. Stir this well till the raw flavor of garlic goes away. Once the raw flavor of garlic goes away, I'm going to add in some flavors in this case, beginning with dried oregano. Well, you can choose any herb of your choice. Dried herbs are generally in everybody's pantry across the globe. Some thyme and chili flakes. Chili flakes can be used as per your discretion, less or more, choice is yours. Let's add in fresh tomato puree. Some tomato ketchup, grain sugar, and salt. Let's stir all of this well and allow this sauce now to cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame. While the pasta and the sauce are both getting cooked, let me now introduce to you plant-based chicken sausage from Blue Tribe. Now, the best part about this is it's high in protein, but it's also zero cholesterol. So I care about your health, so should you start thinking about your own health. So let's cut the packet. Let's cut these chicken sausages into pieces like so. Let's transfer these sausages into the sauce which is getting cooked. And along with this, also going to add in the pasta. To this sauce, I'm also going to add in 1 ladle full of this pasta water to adjust the consistency. Let's mix all of this together. Our sausage pasta is done and ready, but the name of the recipe is baked sausage pasta. So at this point in time, off goes the flame and we start assembling this in a baked dish. The first thing that goes at the bottom, you'll be surprised, is vegan mayo. Well, this takes care of the cheesy element in this sauce. So instead of making a white sauce, here is a quick tip for you. vegan mayo, that's the job for you. Just spread this like so. Let's add in the sausage pasta. Let's spread this like so. Let's top this up with some vegan cheese. I'm going to grate this like so. You guys should also check out the previous videos where I have explored some recipes using Blue Tribe. If you haven't yet, check the link in the description box below. Let's top this up with some more plant-based chicken sausage by Blue Tribe. And finally, last but not the least, some freshly chopped curled parsley. Let's put this to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Let's do that. With this, our baked sausage pasta is done and ready. One final garnish, and that is freshly chopped parsley. When you taste this baked sausage pasta, you'll realize there's absolutely no compromise in taste and flavor, with added health benefits as the cherry on the cake. So introduce yourself to this amazing and wide range of products by Blue Tribe, the way I have, and explore this amazing range of some more recipes by me. This is me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. See you soon. Bye for now.